Assalamu alaikum. I have a new toy and you like it and I can share it with you. I can know how to fix it with you. I can fix it. Yeah, you know, there's a new toy in it. This is the puzzle one. First we need to do the puzzle and then another one, yeah? Now let's start it. Now make it the puzzles. It's so difficult to do it. I did it, but you can play with me with this. And I can share with everyone. And you can play too. I can share it. And you can play too. I didn't know this is so difficult to do it. This one, another nice. We can play it. We can play by sharing. Look, this is the lava one. I'm gonna show you how to jump on it. I get the spinning around like all these. I have so many surprises in it. What is this? I delete this. What is all this card doing? Silly card. What is all the card doing? If you want, there's so many cards for your friends. Friends, you can have it. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna show you spinning. Look. The green one. I need the. Now I have the green one. Again, green one. And yellow now. Yellow one. Now I'm gonna spin it again. Again, green. I always do green. What? I always do it. Red. Now, can you pass? No, this is red. No, I'm gonna do it again. Oh, I need gray. This is gray. I already do it. Now blue. Henry, you have the blue one. No, this is blue. Now I put it here. Now it's finish. Now another one. This is another color again. Like green. This is the lava game. Like green, we have green. We have blue. We have yellow. We have red. Now I'm going to show you my teacup set. Now let's open it and see it. Look, this is a cup. And the small one too. And there's a plate. There's so many in it. There's so many. This is so heavy to take it. Look, there's so many here. I'm very happy. I'll give you some tea and some lemonade. Here's 2 lemonades. You can do it like this and you can eat it. Yeah? We are the big children. We can all eat on the big one, not the small one. Baby only eat on the small ones. And my dad eats on the big ones. And we all big ones, and babies are small. Babies we have the small ones. We have two. Olipur, Khadeeza, and Abdullah. And these three of them can be all my friends' one. And my mommy can use the older ones. Like, ooh. Now I'm gonna say another one. Look. Now, my bags and my another bag and my pencil cutting and a bubble. I like the bubble. Look, I have a bubble. It gave me a bubble. Look, I found a bubble in there. I'm so happy with the bubble in these ones. This is a sharpness. Look how we do it with this. It's broken leg. We do it like this. This is a skull. And we know that this one fits. Now I can show you my bubbles. But you like it? It gave me my bubbles. I like bubbles. But I can share it with you. This is the pumpkin bubble. Bubble mixer. This is the bubble mixer. I never seen the bubble mixer. Like, yeah? You seen the bubble mixer? Wait. This is the notebook. I can write anything here. Now I can write something here. Now I'm going to show you another gift. I cannot open it. I cannot open it. The ice cream cup is full. Now I'm going to show you all it. Why the spoon has this rubber? I want to check it all. I cannot take only one. I want to see it. I did it. Oh, there's so many pink spoons. I like pink. Look how we take it. Like this. Look at all the pink spoons. We can share it. One for the spoons to eat. We eat it like this. We eat it like this. We like the pink spoons, but now we cannot eat it. This is for the afternoon one, when we only go to school. I'm going to show you my snow cup. It's so beautiful. It has eyes. Now I'm going to make this one to my mouth. Now I'm going to eat it. All up. Yummy, yummy, yum. How this opened already? And how this go itself? Come on, open. Open it. What is this pirate doing? Can we bake it? Can you bake it? here. We put like this. Yeah? We put all the mushrooms like this. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.